Hi guys, so I want to show you how I preserve my cilantro, which is coriander. I'm going to preserve it because I got a very big pack, and usually when I buy it, it goes black or it gets bad. This time around, I don't want it to waste. I did some research to see how I can preserve it. Just follow me along while I do that. Okay? Give it a rinse. Cold water. We're going to add it to the food processor. So I've got my cilantros in the food processor, and I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of salt, some water, so that it can blend nicely. So you don't want it fully smooth, you just want it chopped. Large chops. So just pop your water in. Or you don't want to put too much. A little bit of olive oil. Salt. Get to chopping. A bit more water. It'd be helpful if I take that out first. This is what we're left with. So this is what we're left with. Some cilantro. It won't go bad, but just pop it in the fridge, put it in a container, and you're good to go. Wow. Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. I will say it has been a while since I've picked up the camera. I have been super busy. It has been a while. I don't remember the last time I had the camera, but I do remember I did vlog. I think I was cooking or something. I did vlog some cooking, but I don't remember talking to the camera. So, hi. Hope you guys have been good. I'm here cooking, and if you know me, I am Nigerian, but if you know me very well, you know that I like to try different dishes. I like to cook different dishes. Sometimes I get tired of like Nigerian food, so I tend to cook maybe an Indian curry or Thai curry or Thai dish, or yeah, anything really. South American, Chinese, English. I like to try a variety of dishes. My palate is broad and I like to cook it. And I like the look on my husband's face when he eats it. So yeah, so here I am. I'm cooking creamy chicken with mashed potato and veg. So here we've got the creme de la creme. I'm going to put the chicken inside, let it cook down. So I'm just waiting for it to just reduce, thicken up a little bit more. I've got in here onions, paprika, garlic, chili flakes, chicken broth, black pepper, and some chicken seasoning. So that's that cooking down. Then I've got here the chicken breast that I sliced in half, width and lengthwise, just to make it easier to cook, to fry down. And then I seared each side in this pan, and then the remaining juices that was left in this pan, I used that to sear the onions, the garlic, all the seasoning, toast the seasoning, and I added my cream, chicken broth, cooked down, seasoned to taste, and that's that. Over here I've got my mashed potato ready with butter and milk, so that's all ready. I don't like it too smooth, just use the crusher. I don't put it through a sieve, I just use the crusher to crush it down. That's the mashed potatoes. Yum, yum, yum. That's gonna be lovely. And in here, I've got the vegetables. I'll wait for the steam. Some carrots, green beans and broccoli. So that's that. The veg, the chicken for that, the mashed potato, and I just decided to make a side salad. So I put in here some, I don't have the ingredients I would normally put in a salad, so I just made it a light salad. It's tomatoes, spring onions, gherkins, jalapenos. I'm going to make my own dressing and mix that all up, ready to go. Hubby gets back from work, he'll have something tasty to eat. Stay tuned. So I'm gonna now put this in. It's thickened up a bit. I'm using one hand, so bear with me. Oh, there we go. So that's gonna sit in there just for a few more minutes. The chicken is pretty much cooked. Sauce is ready to go. So I don't want to overcook the chicken to dry it out. Leave it in there for a few more minutes and we're done. So, yeah. Don't mind my daughter's plate, but this is my salad dressing. So I put in there some apple cider vinegar, some balsamic vinegar, some mustard and olive oil, a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of salt, crushed coriander. I'm gonna mix that up. Get some light. Okay, got the honey there now. So add a bit of honey as well. Gives it that sweet and sour taste. And then we pour that in. So I've mixed the salad dressing and I also added some beetroot. I had forgotten that. This is it. Beautiful salad. That's dinner, guys. Come and join me.